In the dark, users can walk the Lightcycle run, make sharp turns with sudden drops and stops. For your safety.
Head all the way in, filling in all that available space. There's still guests trying to enter into the room behind you.
Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of TRON.
Team Blue, welcome to the grid. Proceed to gates. Lockers are just ahead. To open the locker portal, tap your digital key to the illuminated activation point. Please be considerate of other users and only use locker space that your party requires. Remember your unit number. Of the grid. Before proceeding to the sync chamber, all members of Team Blue must prepare. All users must secure large items, including backpacks, purses, and hats, in the locker portal before entering the grid. Lockers are just ahead. To open the locker portal, tap your digital key to the illuminated activation point. Please be considerate of other users and only use locker space that your party requires. Remember your unit number. You will be piloting a specially modified Lightcycle. When the gate opens, follow your path on the floor. If you are assigned the car vehicle, you must walk behind the Lightcycle. Remove phones, glasses, and other items that may fall off, and secure them in the storage area between the handlebar. To synchronize with your Lightcycle, kneel, lean, and pull the handlebars towards you. TRON Lightcycle Run is a thrilling, high-speed roller coaster type ride in the dark, making sharp turns with sudden drops and stops. For your safety, remain seated on your Lightcycle at all times. Remember to kneel, lean, and pull the handlebars towards you. Supervise young Team Blue users at all times. The competition begins when Team Blue launches across the upload conduit and onto the grid. Your opponents will meet you there. To win, every member of Team Blue must pass through 8 energy gates before their opponents. Stick together. It's your only hope for victory. Your opponents will meet you there. To win, every member of Team Blue must pass through 8 energy gates before their opponents. Stick together. It's your only hope for victory. In the Lightcycle run, there are winners and there are losers. Who are you? Initiate item
inside. All of our hats, tags, ears, purses, on the locker.
All hats, all ears, all fanny packs, all backpacks, all activated. Blue locker. You gotta use a magic band or plastic. Okay, blue locker.
Do you have a card? Good, opens? Yep. Good. What is
Is it possible to get on the front row?
You'll wait longer.
Yeah.
How many are you?
Just one.
Sure. Stay to your right hand side.
Oh,
You can keep those on if you like.
yeah, I'll take them off.
Prepare for Team Blue Lightcycle Run upload sequence. Hold on. Keep your head up and face forward. Initiate in 3, 2, 1. First energy gate captured. Second energy gate. 3. 4. 5. Captured. Congratulations, Caesars. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue. Users, watch your step as you dismount and exit. Be sure to hold your belongings.
Exit the outside of your light cycle following the white arrows on the floor.
Not graceful, but I'm out.
Wild how fast that was. The first part, my face was eyes were tearing up.
Oh, I had my eyes closed. I was like this. Down.
I thought that was